And we're back. Thistle bringing his wife a stick. Thistle is a very good dad. MJ accepts stick. Hi, Pippin. Wukong is still a flirt to Suki. Guess she hasn't laid her egg yet. Hi, Pippin. Hi, Thistle. Y'all got beef today? Y'all got beef today. Angel has beef with everyone. Hey, Haas. Haas is not sure where he's going. Apparently over there. Oh, hi, Chiffon. Hi, Chiffon. Haas next to his foster dad. We found out that even though Leong is his mom, Betty is not his dad. Betty is actually trying to feed him. He's just a little dumb. Betty is a very devoted feeder. He's actually Vito's. Which you can tell a few ways. His very narrow beak, the particular pattern of the white cap on his head. Hi, Precious. You made it. His high forehead. So, Betty and his Chinese owl wife Leong have very similarly shaped faces. Even similar beak structures. And those are variable expression. So peeps usually end up somewhere between them, favoring the more narrow face. Well, he has a more narrow face than either bird. Which means that he's favoring somebody else's narrow beak. Vito actually has a lot of kids. Commodore is one of Vito's. Which you can tell both by the pattern and by the crest. Hey, Chiffon. Chiffon's about to turn 5 months old. The 3rd of this month coming, I believe. So she's getting close to sexually mature. Hi, Thistle. Ow, ow. Hi, Thistle. Hey, buddy. I know. Hey, Patch. Patch is my keeper baby out of Leonard and Elliot. Hey, kiddo. So we know from Patch that Leonard is a homozygous spread. Well, not just from Patch, but from Patch and Rogue and JoJo. Wherever JoJo may be. every baby that Leonard has sired so far has been spread. So either the 50-50 luck of the draw that spread is if it's heterozygous has been favoring the head side of the coin, or spread is all he has to give. Much more likely, given that 3 in a row of 3 born, 3 hatched, have been spread. It's very likely that he's homozygous. The only other spread bird is Chiffon, and Chiffon's not sexually mature yet. Chiffon is also, we're pretty sure, a hen. So the parentage of spread peeps is going to be pretty solely on Leonard until Chiffon starts laying eggs. Look at you do the flamingo pose. Hey, buddy. Oh, I'm sorry. You didn't want to be preened right then. Look at that flappy little beak. We don't know for sure, but he's probably a cock since the younger sibling was DNA'd a hen. Generally speaking, there's a cock and hen in a clutch. That's not a guarantee that the peeps will be of opposite sex. That's just most likely. There are both male and both female clutches. Pigeon Cheeks, whom we thought were both male for the longest kind of time, both turned out to lay eggs. Ow. Dang it, I can't remember Sissy's brother's name to save my life. But Sissy was named Sissy because his brother was definitely a cock, so Sissy was assumed to be a hen. He was not. You missed that mineral brick, didn't you? I really need to get smaller licks for in quarantine. She's going to be obsessed with that brick for a couple days until she is no longer deficient. Come, Step. Thank you. You don't need to be on my camera hand. You can be on this other hand if you like. Wukong has been courting Suki all week, so they're wanting to lay again, I think. And they're back off their egg. I think they want to move nests. Claim that better one. At least that one they think is better. You got some dangling stuff. And then promptly threw it. Alex kind of likes Chiffon. Interesting to see if Chiffon likes him back. It looks like she might. That'll be an interesting pairing if it happens. She's getting that age. Well, Vito's entire interest is on Leela now. He doesn't seem to be interested in Danica. I think he still sees her a little bit as a rival. It'll be interesting to see if she and Satin become a thing. Kind of hoping not, since Sprinks is coming back out on Monday. That's Leon that she's harassing. Leon says, fuck your gender norms, I'm gonna bring my husband a stick. She is currently available for adoption, by the way. I'm going to be removing their egg this week. Are those Peeps peep toast? The Peeps are definitely peep toasting. Because their mom is on my shoulder and their dad is on eggs. Well, hello. Are you going to try and come down? You're almost old enough to come down. Technically, you are old enough to come down if you want, but I don't bring them down until they're 4 weeks. Ooh, maybe about to tread Suki. They're a very smoochy couple. They're very cute and sweet together. Oh. She is not allowed to have that stick, I guess. But Thistle didn't want it either. He just wanted to say that Leon could not have the stick. All sticks potentially belong to MJ, as far as Thistle is concerned. Leon is back for the stick she was chased away from. See if that stick is suitable. Thistle has brought MJ a different stick. Oh, there she goes with it. Guess that stick was suitable after all. Let's see if he can balance up there in every cock. You cock-blocking bastards. Suki's like, alright, they're gone, we'll try again. Leela might crash their attempt anyway. The most polite of step up. Oh, they made it that time. Congratulations. I don't know what's going to happen if Suki's breeding take. She's on a foster egg. How's that crap even going to work hormonally? Guess we will find out. Hello, little peeps. She definitely likes that Satin can defend a nest. That was one thing that Ginger couldn't do to save his life. So we'll see if Satin takes Sprinks back when she comes back out on Monday, or if he would prefer Nika. Theo, you cannot be on my camera hand. Can't be on my camera hand, baby. Hi, precious peep. Hi, precious peep. You comfy? You comfy? That's my girl. We are going to have some retirement events in a few months. Let's see. This is March, April. On the 3rd of May, we will be retiring probably Luxottica. Leong is already retired, and anybody interested in her can contact me. She is breeding safe, but she classifies very strongly as a loft bird. She does not like people and should not be made a house pet. Angel. She'll be absolutely fantastic in a loft that has minimal human activity. She would very, very, very much prefer to be a set and forget pigeon. They feed her and such, but do not attempt to interact with her. She does not like it. In a quiet household with nobody trying to pet her, she would make good company for another rescue bird. She just really, really, really needs her do not touch me to be respected. Elliot is defending her peeps from her brother's foraging. He wants Stick to give wife. Stick, give. It's very fun to watch them forage. Dio's still just chilling. Hey, Nika. Nika really seems to like satin. We'll see how that goes. He's in breeding trim, and she is not a breed who needs to be trimmed. Satin has such a wide tail fan that if you don't trim a few feathers off the end, he won't actually be able to complete the cloacal kiss and transfer sperm. Oh, Vito is feeling himself. God bless them, she wants eggs through him so bad. He's just ridiculous. Oh, the soft little pit pat of his feet in the sand is hilarious. She's gently arranging the stick. Hello, Angel. Oh, he's biting. Hello, Angel. New stick. It's very cute to watch them bring sticks. No, Angel. My hand is not your wife. You cannot tread it. It's not for you. We have reached the 20-minute mark of our second video. So, in addition to our clients and adopters, and the residents of our educational Discord servers. I'd like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube, the friends of our business page on Facebook, followers of our page on MeWe, members? I don't know what you call them. And the followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. I know, Angel. Well, we will probably see you Friday or Saturday.